This Ventrac is awesome. I mean, it is so impressive.
It's been a big game changer for me.
My Ventrac is a year-long source of income for me. There are no down days.
I've been buying machines now for over 27 years, and it's one of the best pieces of kit I've bought.
I'll recommend that machine to anybody.
This is the 4500 tractor. At its core, the 4500 is a compact tractor, but it's very different than what most people are used to seeing, and that's a great thing. The purpose of any tractor is to perform tasks more efficiently and with better results than hand labor alone. The Ventrac 4500 plays on these advantages, but then takes it to the next level. When coupled with the extensive line of Ventrac attachments, this tractor is a great machine for a variety of different professional users. Ventrac, versatility that works. The biggest advantage of the Ventrac 4500 is not even something you can see, it's something you don't realize until you operate the tractor, and that's the FlexFrame. The 4500 is essentially two separate parts, a front half and a back half. And those parts are connected in the middle at a joint that articulates and oscillates. This results in massive advantages like more consistent traction, lower turf disturbance, and better operator comfort. It also gives the operator the feeling of having a machine that can crawl over terrain no matter how it changes, providing more stability and more capability to work on surfaces that aren't perfectly flat. The 4500 operates on a modular concept and allows users to outfit the tractor exactly as they need to be perfectly suited for them. With dual wheels installed, the 4500 is capable of operating in any direction on 30-degree hills. This is obviously significant because most other commercial equipment is rated for 10 or 15 degrees or is not rated at all. But that's not the only reason to have duals on a Ventrac. The dual wheels also allow the tractor to get into and operate in wet areas that are so saturated they can even be hard to walk on. This is a result of the ultra-low ground pressure, the wide stance, all-wheel drive, and the FlexFrame, which provides consistent traction. As most professional groundskeepers know, the ability to operate on wet terrain will allow them to use this machine more often and sooner after a storm where other equipment is sitting in the barn. It's a fairly common opinion that a machine that does a lot of different tasks can't do any of them all that well. And that's the defining characteristic that makes the Ventrac 4500 different. Ventrac, versatility that works. No matter what task the Ventrac is accomplishing, it does it to the highest level of quality and efficiency. Our attachment lineup includes pieces for material handling, a wide variety of mowing decks, debris cleanup and snow removal, and even some specialty attachments that no other manufacturers make. Nearly all of our attachments mount to the front of the machine, which results in better performance and a better operator experience. We also stand by the idea that all of our attachments go on and off the 4500 very quickly and don't need any tools to do it. With most attachments, an experienced operator can even do this process in less than a minute. We also get consistent feedback from our customers, voicing their appreciation that our attachments are built to the same commercial standard that the tractor is. You don't always get that from every manufacturer. The bottom line is this: you won't find another tractor in the world that can run a real mower on a golf course fairway with undulating terrain and leave a perfect finish, and then immediately after switch to a trencher and install an irrigation line, all without damaging the turf, and do it faster and better than a skid loader. The Ventrac is good at a lot of things, but it's truly the best mowing machine that you can buy. The Ventrac 4500 can operate finish mowers on normal properties. It can also operate a contour or a reel mower on a golf course. Then you can take that same tractor and put a tough cut deck on to go tackle taller grasses or brush. And you can even attach a boom mower to take care of areas where the Ventrac can't even get into. When using the Ventrac 4500 for snow removal, the versatility and modular design come back into play. Installing a heated cab on the machine keeps the operator comfortable and productive. With the versatility of all the attachments and accessories that we offer, this machine can handle any type of winter event. We have powered brooms and a drop spreader available to deal with the first part of the storm or zero tolerance accounts. And we also have straight and V blades and a snowblower to take care of even the deepest snowfalls. And because of the size and maneuverability of the tractor, you can work in tighter areas and eliminate the need for teams of people with handheld equipment. Ventrac is made in the USA. And to us, that's an all-encompassing approach. The tractor and all of the attachments are designed here by the same engineering team who work together. It's assembled here in Ohio, and the rest of our company also operates with the same local influence. You can call up our sales or service department if you have questions, and you can talk to a human being at our facility. We pride ourselves in being accessible to our customers and offering great products and even better service. That's Ventrac, and that's a 4500. When it comes down to it, there's nothing left to say. The performance, the quality, and everything else about the Ventrac 4500 and its attachments speak for themselves. To get the full experience, you'll want to demo a 4500 on your own property. So to find a dealer near you, or to answer any other questions you might have, visit our website at ventrac.com.